Hey guys, so right now I'm gonna be going over how exactly you use the post call notes and what they're for. Okay, so right now what the notes do is there's a new webhook. I'll put a link up there to the new webhook. It came out a little over a week ago, and what it allows you to do is transport notes and the outcome of a call to a CRM or anything that could connect to API and webhooks, right? So what this allows you to do is customize what those notes are going to look like within the webhook. So you can, if I click on this right here, you can see it asks to just summarize it. So general context, background, prospect, no, right? So this is just a bunch of summary. You can do whatever you want here. So let's say I want to erase this, and I want to say pull the address they gave when I asked what. Oh my god, I can't spell. What is your address? Okay. So let's say one of the questions in your script is what is your address, because you're trying to find their address for one of your businesses for some reason. Instead of having to go through each transcript or listen to each call recording manually, now you can set up these notes to just pull that address out and then send it into that post call outcome webhook. If you don't know how to connect that, once again, that video is going to show you. So I'm going to link that again right here. And that's going to be able to transport this address into Go High Level, for example. So it can go right into their notes, right into their address column. And that way it's super easy to reach out to them later and to pick up the phone and just call them. Maybe you have one of your VAs or human agents do it, or maybe you just transfer it right over. So there really is endless possibilities with this. You can think of it a lot like ChatGPT. You can program it however you want to. So let's say you wanted to pull the address, also pull name, phone, and age, right? So it's going to take all that data and it's going to just put it into the webhook. So you can do whatever you want. It also doesn't have to be these just simple one-word answers or two-word answers. It can be whole sentences. You can say, give me a one-paragraph summary, but write it like a horse. It doesn't matter because it's ChatGPT. It's whatever you want. I'm sure you've all used ChatGPT. Everyone's used it. So when you're talking to this thing, think about it just like you're talking to ChatGPT. It is ChatGPT. This is all based off GPT.